In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TastyFX demo account. Now, the first thing you have to do here on their official website, you want to go to where it says create demo account down here, and this will take you to a separate tab where you can basically go ahead and create your demo account. So here you're going to have to put in some of your info, such as your username, password, first name, last name, email, country of residence, and your phone number as well. And then here you can then click on try our demo, and you will get the access to this demo dashboard over here with one demo account created. Now you'll be able to see you will have some virtual funds on here, and then you'll be also able to open up this platform. Okay, so to actually use the TastyFX demo account, click on open platform over here on the dashboard, and this is going to take you directly into the demo trading platform here. There we go. And as you can see, you can start your trading journey over here. You have 10K available in demo funds, so the virtual funds. You can see you are currently on your demo account, and then you can just go ahead and basically search for whatever you want to trade. So if I go to popular USD, let's say Euro USD over here, it's going to pop up on the right hand side, and I can actually create a order right away by clicking buy or sell over here. You can then select which order type you want. You can then go ahead and of course select market or a limit order. You could go ahead and add stop losses, take profits, stuff like that, and then you can click on place trade over here for either buy or sell, and then this is pretty much how you can use your TastyFX demo account. Now of course this is over here your trading platform. You can use it, of course you can use all its functions with your demo account too. Just make sure that if you actually want to open up a live account at some point, you'll be able to click on this button up top and then do so that way. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.